Welcome to Promethist Studio. This is the place where you can interact directly with our relational intelligence engine. We have architected this entire product from the ground up with the term agentic in mind. We believe our administrators should simply come in and using natural language define the expected business outcomes or simply brainstorm over a problem that they have been trying to solve. For this showcase, let me see if my assistant can help me with the problem that my team has been struggling with. Let's start by doing something very simple. We have already built a project just a few minutes ago before this demo with a few example agents that I would like to send to my team and see if they can prepare for an escalated situation with the customer. Before we start adjusting them, let me see how Maya right here feels.
Hi, this is Maya. Let's get right into it. We've got major issues on our hands. So who's the incident commander right now?
Hey Maya, I'm so sorry. You have caught me off guard. I'm not really sure what you mean.
No problem. Let's break it down. Who's the main owner on your side taking charge of fixing this incident end to end? I need a name and role.
I see. You mean the production incident. Oh yeah, sure. We have already sorted it out and everything is in order. So is there anything else I can help you with?
Hold on. I'm not looking for quick reassurance. I need clear ownership, impact scope, and mitigation steps. Let's start with scope and severity. What's the scale of the impact on our operations right now?
Let me cut her off right here. As you can see, I wasn't really equipped to handle this situation well. I have also noticed that Maya didn't have enough context about our enterprise ecosystem, and the entire roleplay was a little bit too generic. Let me see if I can integrate my project with my enterprise tools to give my users the most personalized experience as we possibly can. For this case, let me switch from the AI-assisted mode to the studio mode to set up our integrations. As we can see, we are in the integrations page and no integrations has been set up for this project. That's why Maya doesn't know what's happening with the specific customer. Let me see if I can add our tools into this project so that we can get a little bit more nuanced experience. Our team is using HubSpot and all of our accounts are managed right there. And of course, in order to manage our calendar events and prepare for the upcoming customer, we have to personalize it to the specific event that is being scheduled with our customer. Let me just test the connection to see if everything is in order. And once everything will be logged in, we will save those two integrations. We will switch back into the AI-assisted mode and create a new agent which will have the newest knowledge about our CRM and help my users to prepare before they go into the difficult conversations. Awesome. This time I'm not going to type because I'm going to have a lot to say to my agent. So let me see if I can dictate into it. Hey, awesome. I have set up an integration with our HubSpot and Microsoft. I would like you to do something different now and to build me an Empower agent, which will help my users in a tailored experience for them prepare for the customer conversation that they will have before they try the roleplay. And then once they are ready, to give them this difficult roleplay agent so they can get ready for the difficult conversation. And if they need, they can come back to you and discuss the problems exactly as they need. Please build this Empower agent for me. Right now, the AI assistant is doing something we haven't done before, and that is to build an Empower agent, which will be embedded into my CRM ecosystem, both on the level of data understanding as well as UI embedding to find the user exactly where they are in their day-to-day workflow. Let's wait for the AI assistant to build the experience for us. And once they do, we will switch to our HubSpot view to see if the agent has the knowledge about the customer that our user is preparing for. Right now, we are in our HubSpot CRM. It doesn't matter what CRM you are using or any other application where you manage your end users interaction day to day, whether it's courses management, whether it's sales empowerment, whether it's customer support who lives most of their day in a task management tools. For this use cases, we're going to open up a CRM, and you can imagine how it would feel if you embed our solution anywhere else. I am preparing myself for my Acme Corporation customer, which has been affected by the latest disturbance of the production. And we can see a floating widget with the context of this particular account tailored to my specific use case. Here we see Ava, my Empower agent, which has been trained to help me prepare for this customer in the best possible way. Let me see what she has to offer.
Welcome. You're stepping into Empower's first session. We've got an Acme HubSpot incident scenario waiting in the wings. In this program, you get coached through the whole arc: preparation, live role play with a simulated customer, then post-simulation debrief. My goal is to help you sharpen your instinct around tough customer escalations. No easy shortcuts, no concession first thinking. Instead, we focus on governance and shared accountability. Before we dive in, I want to get your commitment. Are you ready to explore and push your skills today? And what's on your mind as we start?
So before I reply to Ava here, as we can see, she has loaded up all of the necessary context, both from the CRM, but also have been trying to onboard me into the entire experience in order for me to be prepared for what's to come. Let me just reply to her so we don't keep her waiting. Hi, Ava. I'm absolutely ready for this. What should I do to really get myself ready for this customer? I am a little bit worried that they're going to be way too angry about what happened with their production.
I appreciate your readiness. Let's start simple. How long have you been handling healthcare customer success or incident escalations at your company? And where do you feel you'd most like to improve?
To be completely honest, I'm not a customer support guy, so it's all about getting my clients up to speed with their solutions and trying to generate more revenue than we did last year.
Got it. You're more focused on the revenue side, and this escalation arena isn't your usual territory. That's helpful. Given that, where do you think you'd like to improve most when it comes to handling these escalations?
Ava, I'm so sorry I have to cut you off. I have to run to finish my demo, so let's chat again next time. Would you mind? See you soon. Bye.
Understood. We'll pick up right where we left off next time. Talk soon.
Ava will always be waiting for me at any channel that I need, whether it's my phone, whether it's my iPad, whether it's in my workflow tools that I find myself every day at, or I want to mix and match those different channels to talk to her. It doesn't really matter. She can evaluate my performance both using LLM extractors that have been built into our platform, or she can tell me by a spoken language what are the things that she has noticed in my performance that I should improve. Thank you, Ava. And going back into the administration experience, here without the AI-assisted view, we can see the studio in its whole grandeur. Here you can use all of the tools that are at your disposal to make your team perform better, whether it's observing their performance in the analytical suite or fine-tuning your evaluations for your specific use case, setting up automations to be integrated across your enterprise stack. It doesn't matter. As we are delivering this agentic experience, we want to find your team exactly where they are. So I want to encourage you to go and build an experience that your team will love.